Hi and hello and welcome to the CBD Essence Affiliate Program Training. Today we're going to go over how to set up a short code. But before I do that, I just want to explain what a short code is and why we use them. What's very important in affiliate marketing is that any traffic that's coming from your network is being tracked. And that's why this general affiliate link or direct link is so important. But there are times when this general affiliate link with your user ID at the end just doesn't make sense. And let me show you an example of that. So I'm just going to take my URL and I'm going to go to Facebook. And I'm just going to use an example of why this URL may not look good. So I go to Facebook. We got to make sure that we're getting tracked, so we have to use our general affiliate link. So I put that in there. Now it's going to fetch the content. And there we go. Great. What's nice about this is it populated through that link, so when I post this, so we're going to post it, and I click on the actual ad or social post, it's going to take me to cbdessence.net with your tracking code. That's great. But we don't always want to be bunkered down to only using the image that's generated through that link. And that being said, you want to share another piece of content, something that's better with a better headline. But you also need to make sure that when people see it, they click the right link. So let's give an example of that. So I'm going to go in my library. I'm going to look for something. Say I want to use this type of social post, a review. Obviously, I uploaded this image, so that means there's no link attached. So we're going to want to make sure that we add our link in there. And don't forget to add a headline. So I'm just going to add one just for the sake of time here, a quick one. Why people love hemp taffy. We're going to make sure we have our affiliate link in there. But the problem is this kind of looks a little ugly, a little unprofessional. So how do we get around that? Well, what we do is we create a URL shortener. And this is what that looks like. It's a short code, just like that. It's widely accepted in social media marketing. And it also allows you to track which post worked better. So you can come back here to the back end and see how many people clicked on it. And you can create different ones. And it's just a better experience. It looks better. It looks much better than using the one with CBD Essence with your user ID at the end. So I'm going to click post because we got to make sure your tracking code's in there. And now it's in there. They click and it's tracking to you. So how do you set up a bit marker? Well, it's really easy actually. What you're going to do, and I like to use Bitly, and there's so many of them that you can use, but for the sake of time as well, I'm going to show you this tool. So it's free to sign up. It's very limited in the free version, but that should work just fine for you and for people who are just getting into this. So let's get started for free. It's cool. It's really nice. You can sign up through Google, Facebook, Twitter. I'm going to just make a username, Essence, Robert at cbdessence.net. Hopefully there's not an account already made. Password 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Probably won't let that go through. We might let it go through actually. So let's click the bridges here, the CAPTCHA. Oh, someone has it, or it's not strong enough. So let's just go to the screen that I already have open. It looks just like this. So all you have to do is take your affiliate link, find it right here in your dashboard. You'll always find your affiliate tracking link in the NutraHemp Post Affiliate Pro dashboard. Let's create a new one. I put it in here. Create. And now it generates a code that I can use. And you're going to want to add a title. So affiliate tracking shortener. Save. And now it generates here. Copy. You can even share it right from here. I wouldn't recommend that. And boom, there you go. And that's how you create and use a URL shortener. And just remember, when you use it, when you put the shortener or cbdessence.net with your tracking ID information, it's always going to populate our web page. And you can use this, but it's very limited. As you can see, it's just populating whatever images we have on that home page. So you're going to want to upload your image first, put your headline in, and then add your bit marker. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Please email us at robert@cbdessence.net, and we also have documentation in written form as well. Have a great day.